लेडीज़, इट्स वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे एंड आई नो ये वर्ड हमको बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता, लेकिन आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट द सुपर पावर्स दैट वी हैव अगेंस्ट दीज कैंसर्स. See, the most common cancer is breast cancer, and getting the breast cancer may not be in our control, but because of the medical treatments available, early detection can cause up to 90% cure. And even if you detect it in a later stage, it is 50% curable. So, हमारा superpower क्या है? Early detection, which means mammography. So, after the age of 40, you should get a regular mammography. But even before the age of 40, you should actually do a self breast examination, and if you notice anything suspicious, you should check with your doctor. The second most common cancer is cervical cancer. So, what is the villain here? That is the HPV, or the human papilloma virus. And what is our superpower? The vaccine against HPV. If you take vaccine before the first sexual intercourse, you are 100% protected. And if you even take it later on, it will still give you some protection. So you can take it up to the age of 45. Even if you have not taken the vaccine, our next level of power is the pap smear and the HPV test, which you have to do every 3 to 5 years, which can cause a very, very early detection. And because of the vaccine and the screening test, it is some countries of the world are actually cervical cancer free. Now, another common cancer of women in India is the endometrial or the uterine cancer. इसको कैसे डिटेक्ट करते हैं? The good part about this cancer is कि ये early detect हो सकता है because the first symptom in stage 1 is irregular or abnormal bleeding. So after the age of 40, अगर आपको कभी भी abnormal, heavy या irregular cycles हो, you must visit your doctor and your doctor will suggest a biopsy of the lining. So don't shy away from it. It's a small procedure and you should go ahead with it. Especially अगर menopause के बाद आपको कोई भी bleeding episode हो, you must visit your doctor. Now, another common cancer of women is ovarian cancer. तो ओवेरियन कैंसर का बुरी बात यह है कि वो थर्ड स्टेज में ही डिटेक्ट होता है, बट अच्छी बात यह है कि अगर आप अपनी रेगुलर हेल्थ चेक कराएं और उसमें आप अल्ट्रासाउंड्स को इंक्लूड करें तो आप अर्ली स्टेज में ही ओवेरियन कैंसर डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अब इसके अलावा जनरली टू प्रिवेंट कैंसर्स व्हाट ऑल कैन वी डू? We have to avoid alcohol and smoking. We have to regularly exercise. We have to limit our lifetime weight gain. We have to, if you have diabetes, obesity, hypertension, you have to treat it with lifestyle and medication. And you have to do a regular health check with your doctor annually after the age of 40.